Everyone is zombies! There's one right behind me, isn't there? It burns!
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, it's way louder than I thought. It's way louder than I thought. The station mode on.
You couldn't like that. Which ones do you like? Do you prefer the little ones or do you like the big ones? Big ones. Oh, look, they're turning. They're twisted. Like wiggly tails, like big tail.
Happy bonfire night, guys. Yeah, that was the best one yet. Yo! Okay, I changed my mind. Yo! Double huge. Okay, that was the best one. Yes. Well, that was a good one. That was a good one. Yes. No. It's like they're coming out of nowhere. Whoa. The other one's still going. It's still going. Bro, how far is it down? It's still going. Okay, that was blue and green. Oh, yeah. Yo. So I made a perfect circle. Oh. I'm currently on my phone right now. Yo. Yo. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in. No. You know what? I'm alright. Oh, yeah. I love bonfire night. Yes. Let's go. A perfect day. Yo. Wait, this is good. What? Why is it down? It's still going. a lot of people here. Happy bonfire night, Huggies World. You can't really see my body because, like, you know, I didn't bring the blush. Whoa. Ah! Okay, I kind of.
Ready?
Okay, I take it back. I feel enlightened. I feel enlightened. Oh. Ooh, bubbles. But that was the best one yet. That was the best one yet. Yeah, that was the best one yet. Yes. This bonfire night was a success. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, if you guys are enjoying this video right now, please support me by liking. Yes. Alright, let's go.
Oh, that. You see the one in the distance? You can't see that, no one.
Whoa. Let's actually go. Well, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Man, this is amazing. I really love bonfire. I just wish bonfire night was a lot of night, really. Fireworks are huge. Some of them. Okay, yes. Okay, another big one. Some people have headphones on. Oh yeah. What? This is amazing, man. Oh yeah! Rocket launcher! Oh yeah!
What is that?
Wait, just blow up! I want blow up ones! Okay, yeah, so we go. Oh, those green ones. Orange. Red. Green and pink. Yo! Okay, there's more green. I want to go back to blue. Oh, yeah. There's pink. Dark blue's my color. Yes. It stinks. It stinks of burn now. Yes, more dark blues. Rainbow. Oh yeah. This bonfire night is a success. That looks like a wig. That looks like a wig by the shape of it. Okay, these fireworks are massive. Let's dark blue again. These fireworks are becoming massive. Oh yeah. That was probably the biggest rainbow one. Oh yeah. Oh, there's another wig. There's so many wigs, man. Alright, go. Right, this is cool. Right, another wig. Wait.
Might be the end.
Yeah.